here you go. Magdalena.
Hello, my name is Magdalena. I'm from Poland. I'm working for Carnival Cruise Line 2 years. My position is assistant stewardess. My responsibility is take care of the bathroom in the guest cabin, as well help my stewardess because we are working like a team. I usually vacuum, help her clean the balconies and whatever we have to do here. So this is bathroom in the suite cabin, one of the suite cabin. So I have to clean everything what is here, like a sink, toilet, of course. Here is the jacuzzi. So I clean jacuzzi inside, the sliding door. This is how supposed to look the room after we finish our cleaning.
My name is Tatiana. I am floor supervisor in Carnival Liberty.
What is the position of a floor supervisor?
Floor supervisor is new position in Carnival Cruise Line. This position we inspect the cabin stewards and assistants. We inspect the cabins. Cabins make sure that all the stewards, Carnival's rules and regulations, USPH procedures, and follow all the instruction and regulation of the company.
How did you get to this position?
I started before like assistant stateroom steward, and then I was cabin steward, and after this I was promoted floor supervisor. Yes.
Very good. So how many decks you're supervising? How many floors you're supervising?
Okay. Usually in conquest class we are 4 of, and I see my future here.